From Madagascar to Australia, this island is larger than the previous one. The Moas were enormous birds that lived in old Gondwana. The emu and the cassowary are descendants of the Moas. The Moas were the ancestors of the African ostrich and the South American rheas. That is why its face is pretty similar to that of the ostrich, because they're relatives, distant relatives, but relatives nonetheless. The female emu lays her eggs on the ground, on a bed of leaves. Then she forgets about them, and it is the male that incubates them all by himself. However, both parents do take responsibility for looking after their young, and the young emus enjoy being taken care of by both parents. Compared to the rest of the many different species that inhabit these jungles, the cassowaries are rather tall birds, measuring 2 meters and weighing around 60 kilos. Of course, they can't fly, but they can majestically strut around like elegant descendants of the Moas and the extinct elephant bird. A bird that measured 4 meters and weighed half a ton. The cassowaries are solitary birds. I make sure I don't get too close, as their reactions are unpredictable and they could even attack you. And that protuberance called the casque that they have on their heads accentuates the air of menace. Despite its appearance, it is a relatively recent bird, as it has only been with us for about 10,000 years.